In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money easily and efficiently through Wise, specifically to a GCash account using Philippine pesos. Let's dive right into the process so you can get your funds where they need to go swiftly and securely. First, you'll need to start by opening your Wise account. Assuming you're already logged in, the dashboard will appear with a list of your accounts. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This interface is your home base for managing all your transactions, so it helps to know where everything is. Next, locate and select the account that currently has the balance you want to use for sending money. Simply click on that account to proceed. Once you've selected the account, your next move is to click on the Send button. This action will initiate the money sending process so you can begin transferring funds to your chosen recipient. Now, you'll want to add a new recipient to your account. Click Add Recipient to start this process. Here, you will select the currency in which you wish to send money. For our example, we're going to choose Philippine pesos, since this is a transaction to a GCash account located in the Philippines. Wise supports a range of currencies, so make sure to select the right one for your needs. With the currency selected, the next step is to choose the type of account you're sending to. Considering we're dealing with an electronic wallet, we'll select e-wallet from the list of options available. Specifically, we're focusing on GCash, so make sure that's your selection. In some cases, you might be sending the money to yourself, but for today, our situation involves sending it to someone else. Therefore, you'll want to click on the Someone Else option. Now comes the part where you'll need to enter some crucial information. You'll begin by filling in the recipient's details, including their full name and email. Next, select GCash as the wallet provider to ensure the funds go to the right place. You'll then need the recipient's e-wallet number and their address. Double-check all the details you enter here, as any misstep might delay the transfer or result in sending the money to the wrong individual. Once every detail is meticulously inputted, press the Continue button. At this stage, Wise allows you to review all the transaction details before proceeding further. This is your chance to verify that everything is correct and there are no errors in the recipient's information or the amount being sent. When you're satisfied with the accuracy of all details, go ahead and click Pay. This action finalizes the transaction from your end. To complete the process, simply click Continue one final time, and there you have it. Your money is on its way. With these straightforward steps, using Wise to send money globally is a hassle-free experience.